If you are over 40 and you are thinking about starting your YouTube channel, but you keep telling yourself, I cannot do this, where do I start from? Or you feel that the process of starting your YouTube channel could be very complicating for you. This video is a reminder that you are not late and it is something that you can totally do. YouTube is very easy. You can do this. It is not as overwhelming as you think. And of course, you are not late. You are actually perfectly positioned to start your YouTube channel. And let me tell you why. Number one, over 40, you have something that the younger generation or the younger creators are still trying to build, and that is life experience. You've lived through real things, real situations. Talk about career, marriage, parenting, life ups and downs. You have lived through these phases of life at different seasons. So you are in a better position to share your life experience. You are in a better position to share life lessons in general. Talk about money lessons, mistake that you have made, things that you wish somebody would have told you, those risks that you have taken that have shaped your life in one way or the other. This means that you are not just going to talk. You are going to share and teach from experience. You are literally going to teach from proof. Trust me, people on YouTube are not looking for vibes and trends and all that. People on YouTube are looking for solutions. They are looking for answers. They are looking for practical, relatable steps to navigate life in whatever season that they might be in. So they are searching for real guidance. They are searching for perspective. They want to hear from someone that has been there. Number two, you are not chasing validation anymore. You really do not give a about anything because you've been there, done that. This right here is a secret advantage. You are less likely to post for approval or validation, and you are more likely to post with purpose. And that right there is what builds loyal subscribers. That is how you build loyal community, because people can feel when someone is grounded. Number three, YouTube rewards usefulness, not youth, not number, not age, not trend. YouTube rewards usefulness. So you do not need to be trendy. All you need to be is relatable and helpful. And that's it. A good video, a clear topic, and consistency will take you further than trying to be 25. Number four, your content can work while you sleep. Your content can impact people all over the world, regardless of your location or where you might be at the moment. This right here is why I love YouTube. You post once and that video keep getting views for months and years to come. Think of YouTube like a digital estate, which is totally different from other platforms where you get to post and it disappears for 24 hours, right? Think of it as your digital legacy. Number five, you can build income without being an influence. So if you do not want to dance on the internet, that is fine. And if you want to dance, heck here. And you know what? You don't just get paid from YouTube views. You get paid from ads, affiliate link, even brand partnerships. And you might just throw in your own product, say a digital book or a journal or a diary. The point is you have enough to share with the world because you have built a very big bank of experience. The goal is do you and be consistent and watch how YouTube shows up. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be because you want to get paid, right? I mean, like I said, right now, you are in that phase of your life where you really do not care, right? So think of this as your way of impacting, giving back, sharing life, sharing your experience, sharing tips, lessons, ideas, strategy, hacks. And trust me, a lot of people will be happy to learn from real life experience. So now, let's make it simple. If you are over 40, here is the easiest way to start without pressure. Step one, pick one lane for your first 5 videos. Not forever, just 5. For example, life lessons over 40, parenting and family routine, cooking or home videos, investment ideas, financial investment and mistakes that you could have made, financial tips, ideas from your experience, career tip, work skills, business tip, how you run your business, how you started your business, if you are a career person, how you grew your career, faith and encouragement, life lessons, your story. Record on your phone. Pick up your phone and record. You can sit close to a window, outside, or where you have enough light. You don't have to waste any time thinking of setting up. Also, look for people in your age bracket or in your category and see what they are doing, because trust me, there are a lot of over 40 creators out there that has built something for themselves on YouTube. So please find them, connect with them, see what they are doing, and see how you can get ideas and strategy to build your own team. Step 3, post once a week. For 5 weeks, just post once a week. That's all. One video per week. Because consistency, it beats intensity. So take it easy and see how it goes from there. And yes, I am going to tell you the truth. Brace yourself, because your first videos might not get views, and that is totally fine. Remember your why. Stick to your why. Stick to your purpose. Your purpose is to share your experience, to impact, and of course, to earn in the long run. But everything has its beginning, right? So your first video might not get views, but that is totally fine. Stay consistent. One video every week for the first 5 weeks. You watch your pace, see what you like, see what you want to adjust, and keep showing up. So yes, at first, you are building skills and not fame. But one day, just one day, one video lands. One video will break it, and you will be grateful that you started when you did. So if you are over 40, over 50, over 60, and you are waiting for confidence, start first. Confidence comes later. You are not too old for YouTube. You are not too old for content creation. Of course, you are not too old to impact and share your experiences, because I would love to hear from you. I would love to know how you navigated parenting while building businesses. I would love to know how you managed your home, your businesses, your career. I would love to know how you navigated and excelled as a stay-at-home mom. I would love to know. You are the exact person that someone is searching for. Pick up your phone and share your experience. If you are starting a channel this year, you are welcome to subscribe to this channel. I also have videos where I have shared your YouTube strategy, YouTube growth, and YouTube ideas, and also how to build an income without feeling overwhelmed. So if this is something for you, you are welcome to join my community by first subscribing to the channel. If you have any question, of course, I will be happy to help. I would also be including YouTube checklists for those of you that are considering starting your YouTube channel. I have created a checklist just to give you an idea of what you need to start your YouTube channel. I will also be attaching a 30-day YouTube content planner that will help you and give you idea on how to kickstart your first YouTube videos. My name is Princess, and I am an African mother raising children here in the Netherlands. I like to share my experience as I navigate the Netherlands, as I am navigating different phases of my life. I also have a passion to empower stay-at-home mothers and immigrant mothers. Talk about the mothers in diaspora by showing them how to earn income from home while managing their home. If this is something for you, you are welcome. If you have any questions or if you have anything to say, I'll be happy to hear from you in the comment section. Remember to turn on your notifications so that when I post another video, you will be one of the first to know. Also, thank you, because I know that you have clicked on the subscribe button. If you have not, please do that right now. Thank you. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Yours truly, Princess. Whoop.